All right, so I'm at Alpine Gold Exchange. This is a good place to go buy your Goldbacks. You're gonna get the best price. Got a nice little sign here. This is in Alpine, Utah. And we're gonna go in here and we're gonna get some Goldbacks. All right, so this is Alpine Gold Exchange. Just coming in here to go buy some Goldbacks. As you can see, they've got them right here. And I'm gonna exchange them right here for a bunch of fiat. We're gonna get some Goldbacks and we're gonna get a wallet as well. And we're gonna go see where we can spend this around town. And we're also gonna go see where we can't. And then I'm gonna take them to California and we're gonna check that out too.
Do you want all of those in Utah?
Sure, yeah, let's do Utah.
Sounds good.
All right, so let's see what we got here, guys. Got my receipt. All right, so I got 5 Goldbacks. These are Utah 210. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 $1 Goldbacks. And because of the exchange, there's still a little bit of money left over, so I got a little bit of money back here of that. Awesome. Thank you. And then how about the wallet?
Wallet, yes.
Perfect. So as you guys can, you're going to see here in a second, you can see this hopefully. Each of these have a little bit more gold than the other as you go up in denomination. So this one's got 1/1000th of a troy ounce in the ones. The 5 has 1/200th. It's a little bit bigger. And then in the 10, we've got 1/100th of an ounce, troy ounce of gold there. So you can see they all kind of get a little bigger. We got this new wallet, we're going to throw them in. Here we go. So I'm going to get these 10s in there. I'm actually going to put the 5s in with the 10s. There we go. You guys, these are very durable, by the way, and they will replace them if they're damaged. So there you go. And then there's room to put a bunch of credit cards in there, and ID as well. That's pretty fun. All right. Stacking Sufer. The life can't become your best friend. Balances in your bank and stack. So we're going to head into Ace Hardware to see if we can use our Goldbacks here. All right, so we're going to go back here. I'm going to go buy a hex wrench, which should be pretty fun. And I found out it's back here already. I think they said 16. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're going to buy one of these guys. They're on sale, $6.99. All right, so I got the hex. We're going to go up and buy this, see if they'll take our Goldbacks and how that process is. Here we go.
How's it going today?
Good. Hey, Josh. How's it going? Wanted to buy this hex wrench from you.
Sound good.
And today all I've got is Goldbacks. Do you guys take Goldbacks?
Yes, we do.
Oh, that's awesome.
We'll take 2 Goldbacks.
Okay. So here you go, 2 Goldbacks.
Change is going to be $1.45.
All right, some of you guys on the East Coast think you have mountains. These are mountains. All right, so you guys saw me going into Ace Hardware, and I was able to buy that hex screwdriver is what I call it. And that was metric, so we're going to go see in Lowe's if we can do the same thing, if they'll let me use my Goldbacks, because that's all I got. I don't have a wallet. I actually left it at my dad's place, my parents' place. So all I got is Goldbacks. That's it. And I got like $1.25. So I actually got a 9% savings by using Goldbacks over using US dollars at Ace Hardware, okay? And that is because of the exchange rate of buying gold from Alpine Gold Exchange directly, buying the Goldbacks from them, versus buying them online from online bullion dealers. If I had bought them from online bullion dealers, it would be quite a bit more money. it would have been less expensive for me to use US dollars. So there's some interesting things you guys got to be aware of there. But let's see if I can get in here to Lowe's and if they kick me out. All right, so I'm here at Lowe's. We're going to see if we can buy the same item and how much it costs, and if we get the same kind of spread, or if they're going to kick me out for filming in here and getting mad at me. So let's go take a look. There are no signs here that say they take GoldBacks, so my guess is they have no idea what this is. Because I need both of these, and they're the same price, so same difference. All right, so it's like a penny cheaper here. But let's see if they'll let me buy them. So there's one checkout lane that has a person at it, and this dude's trying to buy like a whole house worth of stuff. So they're totally worried about going green, but are they worried about going gold? We're about to find out. I am filming, but I'm not filming you.
Okay.
I just wanted to see if I could buy this, but I left my wallet at home and all I have is GoldBacks. Do you guys take GoldBacks? It's gold money.
Hey, Nephi? Question.
Do you guys take GoldBacks?
You mean returns? Oh, I don't. Sorry.
Have you seen them before?
Yeah, but yes, no.
But you guys don't take them?
No.
Okay. That's all right.
That's pretty.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's got a 1,000th of an ounce of gold in there.
Oh.
So it's Utah money that you can use to buy things. Some stores take it, but some don't yet. So we will have to try to figure out how to get you guys to take it.
I've never even heard of it.
It's pretty cool though, right? So they come in
Yeah.
different sizes, denominations. So one of these about $4 American, and it's a Utah currency. But because it's made out of real gold, it can be used other places.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to wait then and come back another time because I really did. I left my wallet. All I have is this. All right, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. All right, that totally failed. Not only did they never see him before, at least the checkout clerk didn't see it before, they had no way of taking them. So, and honestly, I left my wallet. So I had to borrow money from my dad to even buy these GoldBacks, and we used all of it. So that's how it goes. All right, so if you guys are in Utah and you're wanting to use your GoldBacks, go to Ace Hardware. If you got credit cards and cash, you can go to Lowe's. And as you saw, the prices were very comparable. But I will show you the math, and I did figure out how to get an extra 9% savings using GoldBacks by buying them right. So go to goldback.com and hit the top right, and you'll see where there's a calculator, and you can hit the calculator, and it'll come up with this. And the calculator will be pre-populated with the current exchange rate for a GoldBack. Here, $4. This purchase was a total cost of $7.50. So I'm going to enter that into the calculator here, as you can see. And that shows that I owe 2 GoldBacks, and then I'm going to put in that I'm paying with 2 GoldBacks, and it's going to show me that I get 50 cents back in fiat change. Look at the calculation of an additional 9.3% by buying from Alpine Gold Exchange versus another online bullion dealer. So first off, I paid $3.65 for each of the GoldBacks times 2 of them, and that came to $7.30. And then if I take the amount that GoldBacks are exchanging for on this day, or what they're worth, it's $8 for 2 of them. Subtract that by the $7.30, and I get 70 cents left. All right, so if I take that 70 cents and I now divide that by $7.50, which is the purchase price, I get a savings of 9.3%. So there you go, folks. It does make a big difference on how you buy these. Now let's look at buying GoldBacks from SD Bullion. On this particular day, had I bought GoldBacks from SD Bullion, it would cost me $6.17. That's quite a bit more than the $3.65 from Alpine Gold Exchange. Had I used these GoldBacks from SD Bullion, I would have spent 62% more than I did in my transaction, or 57% more if I had just used US dollars. Let's look at money metals. Had I purchased them from Money Metals, they would cost $5.42 per GoldBack, and that would have been paying 41% more than my transaction, or 37% more than just using cash. All right, So if you happen to be in Utah, go to Alpine Gold Exchange and you can get the best price for GoldBacks. If not, you can also go online. It looks like it's about anywhere from 10 to 15 cents more per one GoldBack to purchase online. You can also buy these from AppMex, SD Bullion, and Money Metals, but you're going to be paying a higher premium for them. I also wanted to show you this awesome picture of the Kennecott mines. You can see how big they are there. They're one of the largest open pit mines in the world. People started mining for gold, silver, and other metals back in the early 19th century, so in the 1800s. And it is 2.5 miles wide at the top and 4,000 feet deep. And they've just found another silver deposit in here. So until next time, peace out.